Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add a simple scrolling animation on your Wix Studio website. So here I am in my blank canvas. We have three sections right here. One, two. This only two sections. Let's add another one. Then we have our footer, body, and our header. And then we'll add an element, and then we'll add a container for this one. Then let's just stretch it, and then open the inspector tool, and we'll make the position into here, into sticky. So we'll make this into bottom and top. Then once we're done, we can add our background image. So I'll just use a gradient image, and then we'll choose a video background. I'll choose this one right here. So you can explore different images for your own website. So I'll just choose this one. And then for here, we'll just copy the container on our header. Make sure you're selecting the container and copy it. And then we'll apply it to our footer. And for our body, we'll do a different one. So let's just do the footer first. And then now we have our header and footer done. And then for our header, we can also add a title. We can just search text mask here on the elements and then click on it. Click on text mask and then add this one onto our header section. Then maybe we can make it bigger like that. A little more bigger like this one. And then for our body, we will now add a grid layout. So choose any grid that you want, but for this video, I'll choose this one. Select it. And then now we have our grid layout. And what we'll do is we'll also add sections for this one. I mean containers. We'll add containers for each of the cells. Then we'll stretch it. And then we'll also open the inspector tool, make our container apply glass effect, the background like 50%, and then so these settings you don't need to copy this exactly. So this just what I'm using for this video, and you can experiment with different settings for your website. I'll just change the order like that, and then we'll also add a padding. Then once we're done, we can apply this onto our other cell. So we can just copy our container and then just paste it onto the other cells that we have. Then before moving on, we can also add the background image again. So we'll just select our section grid, and then we'll check the inspector tool, and then we'll add the background right here on media. And then we'll choose the same background that we have for our header and footer. Let's just filter by videos and then select the same background. And then now that we have our background and our containers for the grid, we can now proceed to add our pictures. So for example, I'll just select the container. Make sure you're selecting the container before adding your media. And then in order to create a seamless picture for your containers, we can just choose vector art so that we have transparent backgrounds. If you have your own custom pictures, you can choose transparent PNGs or a same vector art as well. So we'll just choose this one. And then for the other ones, we'll choose different pictures as well. And we'll do the same until all containers have their own pictures. The last one, I'm double clicking it so that it adds on to our website. And then once we're done, you can just proceed to add our animation. So select the container again. Make sure you're selecting the container. Open the inspector tool. Open animations and effects. And then click on the scroll for the scrolling animation. And then we'll add different animations right here. So for this video, I'm just focusing on the move animation, but you can experiment with the other ones if you want. So we'll go and adjust this animation. I'll make the angle into around 350. And then I'll keep the distance at 200. Then our animation area, I'll keep it at 60. Then we'll copy this similar animation onto the other one. Let's choose move, adjust the animation, make this into 10 degrees, make this into 200 pixels, and make this onto 60%. And for the other ones, we'll just do the similar steps. Make this on 200, then make this into 190, and then we'll do the other one. So I'm just double checking this one again. Maybe we can put this at 30, maybe 35. Then for this one, add another one. Make this onto 35, and then this one will be 180. So I'm double checking the distance. So since this is 200, I can make this 200 as well. 200 pixels. And then last one for this one, you can add the animation, move, 200, and this one will be 170. And then again, 35%. Once we're done, we can click on preview. And then now we have our scrolling animation. So if you want to edit this further, you can just adjust the settings. But for this video, we already completed our scrolling animation. And that's it. I hope you learned how to add your own scrolling animation onto your Wix Studio website. And thank you for watching this video.